Chair.
Now we recognize the Honorable Chel Jokno.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Good morning to everyone. Nung isang araw po ay kumalat ang balita na may nagsampa ng kaso laban sa akin, laban kay Congresswoman Laila De Lima, kay Congressperson Percy Sandanya at mismo kay Chair Jinky Luistro. Sabi daw ay nilabag daw namin ang Anti-Money Laundering Act, ang Bank Secrecy Law at ang Data Privacy Act. Of course, kinikilala po natin na kung sino man ay pwedeng maghain ng kaso, karapatan naman nila yon. Pero kailangan natin bigyang diin ito. Ang ginagawa lang po namin, ang ginagawa ng buong committee, ay ang aming tungkulin sa ilalim ng konstitusyon. Wala po kaming nilabag na batas, puro legal ang ginawa po namin. Kaya po mismo sa konstitusyon nakalagay, and I quote, "No member shall be questioned nor be held liable in any other place for any speech or debate in the Congress or in any committee thereof." Yung pong pag-issue natin ng subpoena sa Anti-Money Laundering Council ay mismong nakabase sa rules of impeachment ng House of Representatives. And I quote, "The committee shall have the power to issue subpoena and subpoena duces tecum to compel the attendance of witnesses and the production of documents and other evidence." At, Madam Chair, ayon mismo sa ating Korte Suprema, hindi sakop ng Anti-Money Laundering Council ang mga sinasabing prohibition from disclosing information. And if I may add, no member of the committee belongs to the Anti-Money Laundering Council and no bank deposits were disclosed during the hearings here. Sabi mismo ng Supreme Court, the prohibition and confidentiality provisions cannot apply to the AMLC. Otherwise, it would contravene its direct mandate under Section 7 of the Anti-Money Laundering Act. Kaya po, Madam Chair, I think it's pretty clear na itong pagsasampa ng reklamo laban sa atin ay isang diversionary tactic. Gusto nilang malimutan ng taong bayan kung bakit tayo naririto. Sana po huwag tayong madala. At ako po, I can speak for everyone else who has been charged. Hindi kami natatakot at hindi kami ma-intimidate. Itutuloy po namin ang amin tungkulin bilang mga members ng Committee on Justice at representatives ng mga sambayanang Pilipino. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair.
All the manifestations of the Honorable Jokno is noted by this committee.